Hi! Today we're learning the phrase fly somebody into something. This means to send someone by plane to a place or event. For example, a company might fly an expert into a meeting. It's often used when someone travels for work or special occasions. The structure is simple. Fly someone into a place or event. Remember, someone comes right after fly. You can say, they flew the manager into New York. This phrase shows the person is being brought in by airplane. It's common in business and personal situations. For example, flying parents into a wedding. Be careful not to mix the order of words. Incorrect. They flew into the manager New York. Correct. They flew the manager into New York. You can also say fly someone to, but fly into focuses on arrival. Try using this phrase when talking about travel plans. It sounds natural and clear. Now practice with sentences like, we flew the team into the city. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.